Let's learn how to use the Heatmap for RNA-seq data tool. Let's start by picking up the example session number 5, 2 factors for Drosophila data. Here you can see that this session starts with the count table and attached phenodata file. The differentially expressed genes were determined with several different tools and parameters, which you can see here. HR, DSEQ2 with the read type parameter, and HR using the read type as well. This is the output file from the HR tool using the read type as the main effect number 2. This result table was filtered using the adjusted p-value of 0.05 as a cutoff. And with that we got 1120 differentially expressed genes. That is a bit much, so we filtered the table further using more strict p-value cutoff. We still have 750 differentially expressed genes. So we filtered the table even further. Using the log fold change, after which we are left with 2039 genes. So that is okay amount for the heat map. So now what we do, we go to the RNA-seq tool category, and here you can see the heat map for RNA-seq results tool. If you go to the parameters or read the help text here, you can see that as input, you give a list of genes of interest, so the differentially expressed genes usually, and the original count table containing the raw counts for all genes in the samples. So that means that we have to choose this table of differentially expressed genes, and then the raw counts here. We use Command or Control key to select multiple files. Now you can see that the phenodata, the raw counts, and the differentially expressed genes in this table are selected. Now we can go to the Parameters tab and check that they are correctly assigned. Here you can see that the raw counts, that's already the counts, and this would be the table for the differentially expressed genes, so that's all good. And the phenodata is correct. You can tune the parameters if you like, but these are fine for this data. So then we click Run, and we end up with these 2 files here. This would be the heat map file. So here you can see the different samples labeled according to the description column in this case, and these would be the genes, the differentially expressed genes. The tool will also output you with the transformed counts in case you need those.